You think that happy people are grateful? It's the opposite. Grateful people are happy. Gratitude is the thing that has been pushing me. Well, I'm a painter. I always wanted to be a painter. I was born in 1948. When I was 10, 12, there was not a time where families would think that being an artist was really a possible career. For them, being an artist was really serious. We are talking about 60 years ago in a small town 1 hour from Rome. Well, when you are very young, you know immediately that what you want to do is to paint, to draw, to look at the paintings, to go to the museum, to learn about art. Joseph Campbell said this beautifully: follow your bliss and doors will open where you didn't think that there were doors. But of course, it's a very difficult path. You never know if you sell a painting. You never know if you have for the next month enough money to pay everything. But this is about trust. Trust the universe, trust the destiny that is for you. You have to show your trust. I sold everything in Milano and I moved to New York, leap of faith, following my bliss. Doors did open. So when this thing happened to me, that I had a block in my shoulder, on my right shoulder, I'm a right hand, I thought that my life was finished because, yes, I can paint with the left hand. It was a challenge. I did on an icon of the Three Archangels maybe 20 years ago, because being right, I can control very well my right hand, but I don't control very well my left hand. So this time, when I had my right shoulder and arm blocked, I said, okay, let's take as a challenge. Let's do it, let's work with the left hand. Was that at night, when you turn a little bit in bed, when you move, the pain wakes you up. So I did many treatments, especially in America. I even did the ozone injection directly on my right shoulder. Nothing happened. But then when I came back to Bangkok, a friend introduced me to Dr. PYONG and to the clinic. And immediately after the first or second session, I felt the benefit. To me, it's magical, you know. So I appreciate even more now that I have the full function. And I don't want to stop the treatment because I think I'm still improving. And I think it's one of the most beautiful things happen to me, because in any other place, in Italy too, I tried some treatment, some chiropractor. Only in Bangkok and with Dr. PYONG. So, grazie.
She had a challenging condition, an artist with chronic shoulder pain from suspected own tendon tear and muscle trigger points due to repetitive movement and overhead activities. Her pain was severe, especially at night, and limited her ability to work. The key was a combination of treatment and modalities. I used magnetic stimulation to help re-educate her nerve function and manage her pain levels. Dry needling was effective in releasing muscle knots and trigger points. The high-power laser therapy helped accelerate the healing process. Of course, I also emphasized the importance of stretching exercises and strengthening her shoulder muscle for long-term stability and pain prevention. She recovered well and was able to return to her art. It was a great example of how the right diagnosis and tailored treatment strategy can effectively address even chronic conditions like hers.